Hey, it's Lady J and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing some butterfly locks. Before we even jump into that, if you're new, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. Make sure that if you like this video, you smash the thumbs up. Yes, hit the like button. Comment below what you liked about it, what you like to see. Wow, brain fart. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you are updated every single time that I upload in that exact moment. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So yes, like I said, I'm gonna be doing some butterfly locks. I'm actually reusing some locks that I've had from a previous hairstyle. I don't even think I recorded that one. Actually, no, did I? I can't remember if I did. If I did, it didn't. I don't know. My camera about to die. Ooh, I'm slacking. But before it does, these are what the locks are gonna look like. I'm gonna do. They're gonna be individual, so I'm gonna like crochet them in my head, and then I'm going to wrap some braiding hair around it. And I have the Mahli braid, 26 inches, extra long, original touch Eve hair from African Nature Braid Collection. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I plan on cutting the hair because like it's really long, and I don't plan on using the whole thing just to cover up my hair. Like it's not that deep, so I'm gonna cut the hair in half. I'm gonna do most of that off camera, and then I'm gonna come back when I have a presentable angle. Disregard the tiny little mirror. I have to see the back of my head, but look how juicy it looked though. Very juicy, very thick. I actually had this style for like the last 2 to 3 weeks, so I love this protective style, braided at the root and all that good stuff. Yeah, I mean, enough said. Anyway, I'm rambling, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I will let you know the products that I used at the end. But yeah, pretty much how I'm going to start off. As you can see, I already have like the pre-section layers, parts, whatever. I do have about 69 braids in my head, 69 twists, in case for those who was wondering. Trying to figure out if there's anything else I'm missing. I think that's it. But you know, without further ado, we're gonna jump into the next clip, and you will see how I get this done. In the meantime, I'm gonna charge my camera because we not finna die while I'm recording. So anyway, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Mwah. Alright, so this is what I got so far. Nice and full. You don't see any of my real hair showing. You can barely tell that there's any hair added covering it up. And now I'm going to teach you all how to get there. Just going to take one of your parts, crochet hook, latch it on through. Grab your lock, open it up, close it, pull it through, grab the other side of the lock and your hair, clip it on the hook, and pull it both through the loop. So now you're looking at this. Boom. Nice security. Boom, boom. Now, time for this. It's already cut in half. You kind of fluff it out a little bit. What I like to do is about an inch, maybe an inch and a half. Put that against the base of the lock and hold it securely. Take this part go around the root once or twice to your liking. 3 is plenty, but I'm just going to stick with 2. And then you're just going to roll on down, making sure to cover your hair along the way, giving it that full protection that a protective style is supposed to offer. And something I like about doing this, you can still get the butterfly lock look even with covering it up. It provides pretty secure protection, if I do say so. Like, I can barely see my hair coming through the locks, which is a good thing. So that means I can keep this in for quite some time because my hair is well moisturized. Oh yeah, I did say I was going to mention the products. I used African Pride leave-in conditioner. Prime base ingredients being olive oil and tea tree oil, as well as sealing it off with Luster's pink lotion. Well, pink oil. Just for references, here's that. Boom. And boom. Obviously on freshly washed hair. And yeah, those were the only 2 products that I used after my shampoo, which I use African Pride as well. Love this stuff. And I already showed you the locks in the hair. Important thing to, a tip to keep in mind, watch where your hair ends. Because what you're going to do is when you get down towards the bottom to seal it, you're going to go down like way past your hair. Missing some strings, oops. You're going to go way past your hair. And then take some nail glue, apply right where you're going to finish it off. I don't know if y'all can see that. And just continue wrapping in that one spot like normal until all the hair runs out. Boom. Twist it in your fingers. Palm roll it. Boom. Very nice. Just falls in with the rest. I'm going to do that one more time. See if I can get a visual without me talking. And then I'm going to show y'all the final look. And we're going to just get right into it.